Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, What Nonsense? We will learn about reciprocal pronouns. So, open up page number 13 and let's get started. First of all, let us see what are reciprocal pronouns. We use reciprocal pronouns when each of two or more subjects is acting in the same way towards the other. Now let's see what this means. For example, A is talking to B and B is talking to A. So we can say that A and B are talking to each other. There are only two reciprocal pronouns, and they are both two words like each other and one another. So, in the above example, A and B are talking to each other. In this sentence, each other is a reciprocal pronoun. Now, read the text on page number 13 so that you can come to know more about reciprocal pronouns. After you are done reading, write some sentences using each other and one another. Try to write at least 10 sentences on a loose sheet.